Video 21, Part 3C of 25, Outputs from Plan Scope Management Process. The purpose of this video is to develop a WBS to present the deliverables from the Plan Scope Management Process. The Plan Scope Management Process is the first process in the Project Scope Management knowledge area and is related to the Planning Process group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. The first output from the Plan Scope Management Process is the Scope Management Plan. A question that arises is, how important is the Scope Management Plan output from the Plan Scope Management Process? The Scope Management Plan, which is an output of the Plan Scope Management Process, is crucial in project management because it provides a structured approach for defining, developing, monitoring, controlling, and validating project scope. The reasons why it is important are: 1. Guides scope definition and clarity. The Scope Management Plan establishes how the project and product scope will be defined, for example through requirements gathering, stakeholder analysis, and expert judgment, ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of what is included and excluded from the project. 2. Prevents scope creep. The Scope Management Plan defines processes for handling scope changes, reducing the risk of uncontrolled additions that can lead to delays, cost overruns, and resource strain. 3. Supports work breakdown structure development. The Scope Management Plan describes how the project scope will be broken down into manageable deliverables, using the WBS, ensuring alignment with project objectives. 4. Provides a framework for scope verification and control. The Scope Management Plan describes how completed deliverables will be formally accepted through scope validation. Defines how changes to scope will be reviewed, approved, or rejected through change control. 5. Enhances stakeholder alignment. The Scope Management Plan ensures all parties understand how scope will be managed, reducing conflicts and miscommunication. 6. Ensures compliance and quality. The Scope Management Plan helps ensure deliverables meet requirements by setting clear criteria for scope completion. 7. Serves as a reference for disputes. The Scope Management Plan acts as a documented agreement on scope management processes, useful for resolving disagreements. In conclusion, the Scope Management Plan is a foundational document that ensures the project stays on track by clearly defining how scope will be handled throughout the project lifecycle. Without it, projects risk ambiguity, uncontrolled changes, and failure to meet objectives. The second output from the Plan Scope Management Process is the Requirements Management Plan. A question that arises is, how important is the Requirements Management Plan output from the Plan Scope Management Process? The Requirements Management Plan, an output of the Plan Scope Management Process, is critically important because it establishes how project and product requirements will be identified, analyzed, documented, monitored, and controlled throughout the project lifecycle. The reasons why it is important are: 1. Ensures clear and actionable requirements. The Requirements Management Plan defines the process for eliciting, documenting, and prioritizing stakeholder needs. Reducing ambiguity and misinterpretation, helps distinguish between business, stakeholder, solution, and transition requirements. 2. Maintains traceability and alignment. The Requirements Management Plan provides a traceability matrix framework to link requirements to objectives, deliverables, and test cases, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Ensures requirements align with business goals, preventing wasted effort on low-value features. 3. Facilitates change control. The Requirements Management Plan outlines how requirement changes will be evaluated, approved, and communicated, preventing uncontrolled scope creep. Works in conjunction with the Scope Management Plan, but focuses specifically on requirements, not just deliverables. 4. Enhances stakeholder communication. The Requirements Management Plan defines roles and responsibilities for managing requirements. Specifies tools, such as Jira, Confluence, or Doors, and formats, such as user stories and use cases, for documenting requirements. 5. Supports quality and validation. The Requirements Management Plan establishes acceptance criteria for requirements, ensuring taught deliverables meet expectations. Guides verification processes, such as reviews, prototypes, and testing, to confirm that requirements are met. 6. Reduces rework and risks. Poorly managed requirements are a leading cause of project failure. The Requirements Management Plan minimizes rework by ensuring requirements are complete, consistent, and feasible before execution. In conclusion, the Requirements Management Plan is vital because it ensures that what the project delivers, defined in the Scope Management Plan, is based on well-defined, validated, and controlled requirements. Without it, projects risk misalignment, rework, and failure to meet stakeholder needs. Finishing this video, we will find in the next videos. 1. Creating WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And we will have many more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.